Occupational therapy really focuses on the entire person. Anytime I'm explaining to somebody what we do as occupational therapists, I make sure to mention that we're looking at both the physical, the mental, and the cognitive abilities of someone and how they impact their ability to engage in everyday activities.
I wanted to study occupational therapy because in high school I was exposed to a speech-language pathologist who ran summer camps with kids with disabilities. Light bulb went off in my head and I was like, this is it. So I chose to study occupational therapy specifically at UNE because I've heard from multiple OTs that I was interning with that UNE's program it's awesome.
We really work on advising and access to the faculty, and I think when you hear current students talk about that, that's one thing that they highlight is just how accessible faculty are.
UNE helps me prepare for my career in OT by offering a lot of simulated labs, and we're able to get that experience without running the risks of it actually being a real patient.
Our clinical experiences in our level 2 fieldwork are obviously one of the biggest ways in which we prepare students to become future OT practitioners.
That was really good.
One of the benefits of studying occupational therapy on a health campus is you really get a taste of all the other health professions, and understanding what they do really helps you also advocate for your program and for your profession as well.
UNE occupational therapy graduates can choose all different types of career paths, and they can practice in pediatric settings, acute hospitals, rehabilitation settings, and mental health settings.
I would say to someone who's thinking about studying occupational therapy here at UNE is just to do it. The community is amazing. They really have your back. You will learn so much that will prepare you for what you do when you're out as a professional, and you just get that great education.